Today I bring a home remedy that can help soothe your cough, and for that you need a humble onion. And if you're looking for some natural relief, let's hydrate the fresh onion, peel it, and save the brown skin. You can save it for later or use it immediately. Wash it. Put the onion skin in a teapot and fill it with water. Then take the onion, cut in half, and rub it on your chest. Yes, it might feel a bit strange at first, but stick with me. They are anti-inflammatory, clear congestion. And now we're going to make the tea. Bring to a boil and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain into a cup and enjoy the sweet aroma. The antihistamine properties of the paper onion skin soothe your throat and reduce inflammation too. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, to share, subscribe for more health hacks. Stay healthy out there.